Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Wok with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Welcome back. Good to see you again. The vegetable dish that I cooked in this video is very similar to the one that I posted yesterday. This video provides a demonstration of using a basic template by making minor modifications. The application of template-based cooking is at its best when you have advanced prepping because you have ingredients that you can choose from to create variations. In this dish, I substitute Brussels sprouts with baby bok choy as well as colored bell pepper with cherry tomatoes. The end result is that I use the same basic cooking techniques, but I come up with an entirely different dish. This video is a good demonstration of my fast cooking system with flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. When I design my fast cooking system, the main goal is to enhance my vegetable consumption. I find that creating vegetable medley is the key, and the ability to change different kinds of vegetables in the medley make it even more effective. Over the years, I have come to learn to like eggplant more and more, particularly if I can use them in a vegetable medley. When you cook the eggplant to a soft, velvety texture, they're probably among the best vegetables that I have ever had. I have talked about bitter melon in my other videos. A bitter melon is another vegetable that in a small quantity, they really enhance the flavor of the medley. The reason for enhance the diversity of vegetable in a dish is not only for nutritional value, but also for taste. For this dish, I'm going to add two types of baby bok choy. The first type of bok choy is known as Taiwanese Bok Choy, and the second type is known as Shanghainese Bok Choy. And now you might ask the question why I decided to use both of them. In fact, in the past, I would only use one of them at a time. Well, it turned out that my wife and I have our individual preferences. And now, even though I have never seen people use both of them at the same time, but I decided why not? Again, this shows the benefits of advanced prepping because by having them already prepped, it's easy for me to use both of them. Another advantage of this kind of vegetables in advanced prepping is that they have a longer shelf life. Because they are readily available, I tend to use them in dishes that I normally do not think of, so consequently I have almost minimum waste. The second stage of this cooking process is to add water to steam the vegetables. The steaming will create the desired texture of the vegetables. As you notice that I'm adding a little bit water at a time so that I can better control of the steaming process. From most of the cooks whom I talked to in the past, they all agree that the wok is perfect for cooking vegetables, particularly for cooking vegetable medley. With the stir frying as the first step, you can create flavor molecules through the Maillard reaction, and then you can soften the texture of the ingredients by steaming. And next, I add some cherry tomatoes to the dish to provide both flavor, texture, and color. To flavor this dish, I'm going to use a combination of oyster sauce and Hoisin sauce. Through my flavor chasing, I find this sauce combination is the best for vegetables. After trying different flavoring strategies, this is the one that I enjoy most, but I also make changes from time to time. After doing a quick taste test, I decided that I would add a bit more soy sauce and also a touch more of Hoisin sauce. This dish might appear to be complex with different kinds of ingredients, but actually it is quite simple because it's based entirely on my basic vegetable stir-fry template. If you have all the ingredients ready, cooking this dish is relatively simple and it is also very fast. The total cook time of this dish is only a little bit over 6 minutes. The ability to cook vegetable dish like this with many different kinds of vegetables is a game changer, and it caused me to eat much more vegetables than what I have done in the past. By using different kinds of vegetables, you create a complex flavor as well as texture in the dish. Once I start to eat vegetable dish like this on a regular basis, my desire for eating meat has reduced dramatically. I have a friend who was a meat lover for all his life. After he switched to a vegetable medley dish like this because of a health consideration, he changed almost overnight. He told me that he loved this type of vegetable medley so much, he almost forgot that he used to be a meat eater. He told me that normally on Father's Day, he would have a nice big piece of steak. But on that particular Father's Day, instead of having a piece of steak, he chose to have a vegetable medley dish similar to this one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next time.